Hi guys, welcome to Audio Media channel. I am T.Selvakumar, your mentor. I am an Apple certified trainer for Final Cut Pro, Logic and Blackmagic certified trainer for DaVinci Resolve. Today's video is going to be on what is new in Pro Tools 2022.4. At the NAB show, Avid announced a new strategy on how they market Pro Tools for music mixing and audio for video post-production markets. They adopted a three-tier pricing strategy. The new three-tier pricing strategy is as follows: Pro Tools Artist, Pro Tools Studio, and Pro Tools Flex. Pro Tools Flex is the Pro Tools Ultimate version they used to have before. Pro Tools Artist. Anyone looking to make professional quality music and beats with easy to use creative tools. The base Pro Tools tier with 32 audio tracks, 32 instrument tracks, 64 MIDI tracks, 32 aux tracks, simultaneous recording of up to 16 inputs, core audio and ASIO compatible hardware, stereo support only, 100 plug-in bundles, Melodyne 5 essentials for pitch correction. Price in India is 7,370 plus GST. The next version is called Pro Tools Studio. Artists, musicians, producers who need a full tool set for professional music production. 512 audio tracks, 512 instrument tracks, 1024 MIDI tracks, 128 aux tracks, 128 VCA faders, 64 master tracks, 1 video track. Simultaneous recording inputs is 64. Pro Tools interface support includes Carbon, Venue, SL6 and any core audio. This version also supports multi-channel audio mixing, so it supports stereo, surround, Dolby Atmos, ambisonics, advanced automation, a complete production bundle which has got a lot of plugins, Celemony Melodyne 5 for pitch correction. They also have the inner circle rewards, which include only with the annual subscription and standard support. The price in India for this package is 22,240 plus GST. Then it's the Pro Tools Flex. Large scale music or audio post-production and those who rely on Pro Tools HD systems. This supports 2048 audio tracks, 512 instrument tracks, 1024 MIDI tracks, 1024 aux tracks, 128 VCA faders, 512 master tracks, 64 video tracks, simultaneous recording inputs, 256 for core audio, 192 for HDX hybrid engines, and 64 for HD native. Pro Tools interface supports include Carbon, Venue, and S6L. Any core audio or ASIO interface. Multi-channel mixing and stereo, surround, Dolby Atmos, and ambisonics. Advanced automation, advanced audio post-production toolset, complete production toolkit, Melodyne 5 essentials, inner circle rewards included only with the annual subscription, and expert plus support. The price of this version is 86,000 plus GST, which is approximately a lakh of rupees. Now let's look at the pros and cons of this new pricing strategy. To start with, if we look at pros, there aren't too many pros because Pro Tools has totally changed their pricing strategy. My relationship with Pro Tools goes to almost 15-20 years. I used to be a distributor for DigiDesign, the company which actually invented Pro Tools. And when Avid took over, then I had to move out of Pro Tools and I started distributing Steinberg. So from that time onwards, I have known Pro Tools users. And Pro Tools, the HD version of Pro Tools, which is the ultimate version right now, used to be bundled only with hardware. They used to have hardware cards like Mix Plus, and then there was the HD systems. Now the new hardware cards are called HDX. The HDX cards are very expensive. Each card costs around 5 lakhs or so, and then you have HDX2, HDX3, which can go up to 15-20 lakhs. Mostly Pro Tools Ultimate software is bundled with these cards. They are not sold separately at all. You cannot buy Pro Tools software separately. You have to buy this hardware if you want to use the Ultimate software. So you're forced to use the cards, plus It's just not the cards, you'll have to also buy interfaces. The whole system runs to around 25 to 30 lakhs. Slowly, as competition increased, they also wanted to debundle the whole thing. They made software, hardware separate. They made other hardware also compatible with Pro Tools and all that kind of stuff. But still, for very high-end use, a lot of pro studios opted for Pro Tools HDX systems only. Now, with this new subscription model, even customers who bought those very expensive Pro Tools hardware are now forced to pay 1 lakh per year for the software, which is actually very unfair to them, because they bought it under the assumption that they can indefinitely use it, which is not going to be possible now. So the new subscription model is forcing every customer who has bought or using Pro Tools to buy and keep buying. And also, if you look at was a free version of Avid Pro Tools, which is now called as Artist, and even that is charged at 10,000 rupees. The second version, which is the studio version, also is quite expensive, because if you want to do Dolby Atmos with that, you have to buy the Dolby plugin, and this 30,000 is not a one-time charge, it's like a yearly charge. So every year you have to be paying 30,000 to work with studio version. Actually, a lot of the Avid users are revolting now. If you look at all the Gearslet forums and also the Avid DUC forums, a lot of the users are venting out on Avid for this crazy upgrade plan. Nobody is happy about it. Use the comment section in this video to vent out your thoughts on this new pricing policy of Avid. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Talk to your friends about this video and probably share it with them. So this is Selvakumar signing out for Audio Media channel. Thank you.